Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Fifth Third Bank Debit Card online. The first thing I want you to do is come here to 53.com, and then what I need you to do is just go ahead and come here, click on login. Okay, once you go ahead and click on login, you can click here on register if you're a first time user, and what they'll prompt you to do, they'll actually prompt you to register for online banking. So to activate your card online, you click here on yes, and you basically go ahead and use your Fifth Third debit card or credit card number. Okay, the first time you log in, that'll be your user ID. And for the password, you can actually use your card PIN, right? Your ATM PIN, your personal identification number as well to log into online banking. And after you enter your, online banking for the first time using your card PIN, you'll actually be prompted to create an exclusive password for online banking. So you get redirected to this page right here, and you will be setting up your own exclusive password for online banking. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.